Hello everyone, welcome to the Hard Reset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to change the screen bounds in Killing Floor 3. So the first thing that we're going to do is open up the settings, then we're going to go to video and press the set screen bounds button. And here you can adjust the safe zone of your screen, so basically this is where the game's display stops. So this there won't be any like gameplay parts right here. So let me just show you. I'm going to like make it smaller a little. I'm gonna press confirm, then save the options. And here, as you can see already, like the menu, all of the HUDs are like bound, limited to like this the corners that they've set. So just select the option that you want. Basically, I've shown you how this works. And once you've done that, press save, and then just exit out the settings, and your options will be saved. So that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.